Welcome to Users Productions. This video will demo Restore macOS to remove Boot Camp by Apple Time Machine. Step 01. Plug in Time Machine Backup Hard Disk Storage. Hold press Option, then Power on Mac. Mac show select Boot Up Storage. Step 02. Release Option button. Select Time Machine Storage by mouse left click. Step 03. Double left click Disk Utility. Left click down arrow as in this video. Left click Show All Devices. Step 04. Left click your Mac SSD hard disk. Left click Erase. Type name of SSD as macOS. Select and left click APFS and Git partition map. Left click Erase. Fast forward video. Step 05. Left click Done. Left click Red Exit top left corner. Step 06. Left click Restore from Time Machine Backup. Left click Continue. Left click Continue. Left click Backup Time Machine Backup Storage. Left click Continue. Step 07. Left click Backup you need to restore. Left click Continue. Left click Mac Storage. Left click Restore. Left click Erase Disk. Left click OK. Fast forward video. Step 08. Log in to Apple ID to complete the progress. Log in to Apple ID to complete the progress. Restore completed. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.